How to buy Kabuto token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto. With the best referral code, simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. As you can see, this token is available, as you can see. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check their community in X. As you can see, they have big community there. They have 9,000 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 12 hours ago. And as you can see, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address. And as you can see, this token address or this token came under this Solana network. Now, open your funds wallet for that. As you can see here, just click here on swap. Make sure to select from the top the Solana token. Now click here and paste token as well. And as you can see, this also gonna click on this. And here you can say how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to say how much you receive. Now after that, scroll down and you will be able to find here swap. After you click on it, they will be able to redirect you to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Kabuto token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.